Assalamu alaikum viewers with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, in this video you can learn how to create a destruction city or a building in Adobe After Effects. So let's start. Create new composition. And import your video. Click on footage and go to animation. Click on track camera. It's take a few minutes, so just please wait. Camera tracking is just running in background. You can see in effect controls. It's tracking data about 207 frames. Just tracking. $139 frames tracked. Okay, now it's done. Just solving camera. Okay, now tracking is done. Select your footage, select effect in effect controls and select area here. Right click and click on create solid and camera. Then select solid and replace your footage here or damage footage. Select track solid, press and hold alt key and drop file here for replacing. Okay, now scale it. Now add some mask. Okay, open the mask setting and change the mask mode to subtract. Change the filter. And I rename it to front hole. Now create a duplicate layer of front hole by pressing Ctrl D or from edit section duplicate. Okay, now go to mask setting and change the mask mode to add. Change the filter and mask expansion. Okay, now apply the effect tint. Change the color like this. Drop down and rename to mask. Decrease the expansion. Okay, now create a duplicate of mask and drop down here and rename to back hole. Go to mask setting, increase the mask expansion like this, and change color. Okay, now change the track matte to alpha matte mask, and change the effect amount tint. Okay, okay, now add the effect curve, and make some change like this. Copy and paste on bottom both layers. Okay, now create a duplicate of front hole, and click on solo, apply the effect extract, drop up from the cover curves, and make some change like this. Control a create a duplicate of this, and scale down. Okay, okay, now create one more duplicate of front hole, and remove the mask, and rotate. Change the extract, delete, change position like this, and add mask as it, and increase the fter value. Okay, now create one more duplicate of front hole. Front hole duplicate, delete the mask. Okay, now replace with your footage of fire. Change the blending mode to screen, and add some mask. Increase the filter. Okay, okay, now create one more duplicate of front hole, and sorry, create the duplicate of fire footage and change position. Bring to back of damage footage. Okay, now create a duplicate of front hole and remove mask and replace with your smoke footage. This all footage you can download free. The link is in description. Replace with smoke. Okay. Change its blending mode to screen and change scale and also change position. Bring to back and make some mask. Increase the fter. Okay. Okay. Now select your footage and create duplicate of this and bottom layer rename to camera data and disable it. Select your footage and click on pre-compose, rename to BG and select move all attributes into the new composition. Okay. Now create a duplicate of BG and drop up. Okay, now select on camera data, select effect and select area here like this. Press and hold shift key and select and one other selection. Create solid, select solid and scale it. Okay. Now change the blend track mode of your BG layer to alpha matte track solid. Okay. Now select track solid and create some mask. Disable BG layer and select pen tool. Create some mask like this. Okay. Okay. Now click on camera data, select effect and create one new solid. Select area here and press and hold shift key and select create solid. Okay, scale the solid, change rotation like this and import the footage of crack on replace with track solid. Press and hold alt key and drop on this. Change the blending mode to multiply. Okay, select pen tool and select the area. Add fter. Okay. Now again click on camera data, select effect and track some points. Select here and create solid. Scale the solid and change rotation. Okay. Replace with cracks. Oh. Scale down. Change the blending mode to multiply. Okay. Again select camera tracker data and create solid here. Scale this solid, replace with cracks. Change rotation and change the blending mode. Okay. Now select pen tool and select area. Add some mask like this. Increase the filter. Okay. Okay. Now select camera data again and create solid here. Replace with the cracks again. Change rotation and change blending mode to multiply. Okay, now right click and create new adjustment layer. Apply the effect curves and make some change like this and apply the effect geometry colors. Go to basic setting, change temperature to about 40 and saturation to about 60. Okay, now play and check the video. If you want to make more change, you can add more fire damage footage. Okay guys, now it's done. I hope you will like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.